Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A72, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. Now, to get started, you do want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to be using settings as an example. And once it's open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down. Actually, I don't think it's holding, but just clicking. Let me quickly check. Yep, so you just click on them, both at the same time, power key, volume down, and this will bring up this menu right here. Now, the screenshot has already been captured, and when you're doing this for the first time, it will kind of stay till you interact with it. But going quickly over it, you have a couple different shortcuts. So you have the share, tag, edit, and make a scrollable screenshot. So if I want to have a scrollable, I will just kind of continue to click on the button, and it will keep scrolling down. Once I stop, it just kind of fades away and saves it, I believe. There we go. Now, once you capture your screenshot, you can find it in your photo gallery. So let me open that up, and there's the scrollable screenshot. So there we go. And sometimes you also have a button for it in the notification panel, but it looks like that is not the case here. So no screenshot here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.